I was going through some recipes from this cookbook from 1908, and this one particular recipe caught my eye under the For the Sick Room Diet section. It is for something called milk lemonade. Here's the recipe in case you, for whatever reason, want to try it for yourself. It is very simple with only 3 ingredients, but involves intentionally curdling the milk. I can only assume this will be disgusting, but I'm on a mission to find out. Now here's the part where I show it being made. I actually did manage to drink the entire glass of this stuff. Surprisingly, it didn't taste like too much. I couldn't taste any sugar due to it being a pretty low amount for lemonade, and mostly just tasted slightly sour milk. Of course, the texture of this was the star of the show. It was exactly how you'd imagine extremely curdled milk to feel. It felt like drinking warm, high-pulp orange juice. If you can get over the revolting texture of it, it's not too difficult to drink it. I'm pretty unsure of how this is supposed to help people who are sick. It just seems like a waste of milk to me as it just spoils the taste and texture of it. Maybe people in 1908 just had a strange taste in beverages, or Miss Effie here is just messing with me more than 100 years later with this monstrosity of a recipe.